Hey guys, TalkPlaySolve here, and today I'm gonna show you how to install Forge and Optifine for Minecraft 1.12.2 with a very easy and quick way. I would like to say that there is no need for extra downloads and installs or whatever. You must only have the new launcher, the new super launcher, which provides us both Optifine and Forge for Minecraft 1.12.2. Make sure you have the new launcher. If now, check the video on how to download it and come back here to continue the video. So when you have already downloaded the new launcher, open it. And now make sure you have created an account, and let's go and download the Optifine 1.12.2. Now go and find Optifine 1.12.2 and click install and play. Wait now for a few seconds to download the files. Go to options, to video settings, and boom, this is it: quality, details, performance, animations, and others. Now guys, let's go and try the Forge 1.12.2. Now scroll down and find Forge 1.12.2 and click again install and play. Wait again for a few seconds. So as you can see guys, the launcher make it easy for you. No extra links, no files to open, no zip files, and whatever. No, single player or and this is guys Forge 1.12.2. it's working. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like.